You can never have enough hangers. Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. You can put your robe down.
That's how I tell how high it has to be. This is my device for knowing how high it needs to be. And since the door opens this way, it can be close like that. And that's good.
Since the door slides, it doesn't much matter.
Right. That's my point.
Okay.
Okay, done with me?
Yep. Thanks, hon.
Yep. Thank you.
There. It's a proven fact you can never have too many hangers. Just like too many clamps or too many hacksaw blades or pretty much any tool. Now with that expanded rack on there, we'll have 10 extra pegs in the bathroom. And along with the bar, we're going to have a lot of room to hang clothes. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.